Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how it went from these cloudy headlights to these clear headlights using Harbor Freight's Pittsburgh Deluxe lens renewal system. Stay tuned. Alright, so on the instructions it says to mask, but we're gonna skip that step and I'm actually gonna remove the whole headlight assembly. Now I want to get as much as the yellow and cloudiness I can take off. So let me start by taking that off. Here's the car with the hood open. We're gonna have two bolts here. But first I gotta take off this grill. Just 3 Phillips to expose the other one that's in here, the other bolt. As you can see, it's a mess in there. That's the other one. Let the grill off. Start removing that as well. Alright, I got it loose here. We're disconnected the headlight. Now you can see the difference. I did this one yesterday. Let's do this one right now. Alright guys, so the kit comes with a 500 grit disc pads, 800 grit, and I believe 3000 fine grit. They're real cheap, of course, for $15. So once you put it on, I noticed that once you try taking it off, it kind of separates. So they're basically for one-time use. They go on this little sponge pad, Velcro. Put this on right here. It says on the instructions to just use it like that, the 500 and 800. And only when it's on the 3000 to use water. But I ain't no body specialist, body and paint, but I'm gonna use water the whole time. Just spray a couple here and there. That way, I'm guessing it's that way it won't, the plastic won't also overheat and then cause more damage. So I'm gonna set up the camera and start working. Well, actually, I'm using a DeWalt angle drill. I guess it'll feel more like a polisher, because it says also to use light to real low pressure. So don't do it too hard. This also comes with several pads, so once you feel like it's not sanding down anymore, I know the kit comes with several 500 grit, so let me put another one. Looking a whole lot better. I guess now I'm gonna go to the 800 grit. Alright, so this is how it looks with the 800 grid. At least it don't look yellow anymore. Well, I've painted this several times with clear coat, so it's not gonna be perfect. But let's see how it looks with the fine grit, which is the last step. This is what I'm talking about, how cheap they are when you try taking them off. Yeah, you see? So, it's mostly for one-time use.
With each pass with the fine grit, it looks more and more clear. I'm going to do one more time. I'm going to pass the microfiber cloth, the rag that we dried up good. See how it looks.
Pretty sure. Huge difference. You can actually see inside now. Last step will be the polish. This one used it the other day. On the instructions, shows just to put a dime size. Just dab it around, you can add a little bit more, and start polishing.
Do it one more time? Maybe a few more times. Size, the diamond size, dab it around, mix it around. Once it dries up, the polisher, once it's done, don't do it anymore. Because that's per the instructions and can cause damage.
Alright, so this is our finished product. It sounds kind of strong right now, so should give us a clear. This was a straight recording. I don't know if you can see the difference. I don't know if you remember when I put them together. Pretty sure I can do the bottom one. Bottom one, I did it quick yesterday. Just to have an idea of how it works. Didn't put too much effort like this one, but better than they were before. Let me install it back. All right, guys, and this is the finished product. Let's see from far away. $15. I'd say it's worth it. It works. I know I was driving it with one clear lens, and it made a huge difference how far you can see at night. $15 compared to one 130 for new headlights, which are probably cheaper plastic than the OEM. So let's see how long these last. Maybe in a few more months, buy another kit, or even give you guys an update, see how they're doing. And just like this, I won't put any clear coat or anything. We'll see how long they last. I live in South Texas, so the sun's really hot. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you guys liked it. Give a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Start a new channel. Hopefully, see how it goes. Later.